Yes, you read the title right. I am in the position to be able to earn over $7,000 a month in Nexus Snap. And here's how. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Nexus Snap is becoming one of the most talked about network marketing opportunities out there. And one of the main reasons that is their compensation plan. Now, there are several ways that you can make money in Nexus Snap. And one of those ways is their 3x10 matrix. Now I need to make something absolutely crystal clear. All right. It is possible to make money from Nexus Snap matrix without having to recruit anybody. One of those ways is their 3x10 matrix. Now I need to make something absolutely crystal clear. All right. It is possible to make money from your matrix without having to recruit anyone. And how that's possible is when people join Nexus Snap, right? People have to go underneath people that's already in Nexus Snap. So eventually, right, the more people that join Nexus Snap, eventually these people have to go under somebody. So as long as the company keeps growing, eventually you're going to receive what they call spillover, which is people just getting put underneath you without you having to do anything. So with that being said, if you join Nexus Snap as a premium member, you're an affiliate, and for whatever reason, you didn't bring anybody in to Nexus Snap. You couldn't recruit not one damn person. If, and that's a big if your matrix filled up, you would earn a little over $2,300 a month if your matrix filled up. All right. Now, if you were to bring in just one person, all right, just one person into Nexus Snap, one premium member, it actually triples your earning potential. So that means you can earn a little over $7,000 a month. Now, as you can see, I have more than one premium member, but the point of this video is to show you that just by me getting that first premium member, it put me in a position to be able to earn over $7,000 a month. Just in case you're like, man, I don't even know what the hell you're talking about. All right, I'm about to let the owners explain it to you. All right, so watch the rest of this video and you can see exactly how this is possible. But before I throw to this clip, I do want to make a couple very important points. All right. Now, I know people always talk about, disclaimers, earning disclaimers and this and that, right? Which I think, like, I personally feel like, damn, people should just have common sense. But, it got to be said. All right. So the earnings, what you're seeing is based off of actual data, right? This is not a guarantee of what you're gonna get if you join, right, Nexus Snap. Or if you join Nexus Snap and you get your first affiliate, you're like, all right, where's my $7,000? Like, come on, it don't work like that. This is strictly based off of your matrix, that side of the compensation plan being filled. All right, if your matrix is being filled and the person that you bring in, if their matrix is filled, this is how you get these numbers. And to be completely 100% honest with you, it takes a shit ton of people to fill a matrix. All right. This is all based off of if the company has all of these people and your matrix get filled and people's matrices get filled. This is how much you could make. This is how much you would make if your matrix was filled. You have to understand that, because a lot of people hear what they want to hear. Right? They'll hear this video and then they'll be like, oh, I joined and I ain't get $7,000. I bring in one person. Like, you got to use common sense, right? This is possible. Now, look, I am sure after you finish this video, you are going to be excited. You're going to want to get started with Nexus Snap, and you can do so by clicking that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.
If you pay more money, are you better? Yeah, I think that's the criteria for being better, right? We also have a matrix, right? 3x10 matrix. What is it? What is a matrix? Matrix is, if this is you, and you basically have three positions underneath you. Now, I just showed you an example. What if you brought in 5 people? Well, if you brought in 5 people, the first 3 would go here, and then the next one would go here, and then the next one would go here, and then the next one would go over here. And then it would rotate and it would come back here. So once the 3 positions underneath you are filled up, now they can be filled up because you brought them in, but what about your sponsor? And what about the people above your sponsor? They're crunching people into a matrix as well. So as they're bringing people in, once these 3 positions are filled up, and they can be filled by you or by the people above you, everybody goes underneath here until the second level is full, right? There's 9 spots there. Once the 9 spots on the second level are filled, where do they go? On the third level, okay? 9 times 3, there'll be 27 spots on the third level, okay? So, and this goes all the way down through 10 levels. Now, with, here's the deal. PS stands for personally sponsored, okay? For 0 PS, what does that mean? It means you didn't sponsor anybody, okay? Yeah, right? You didn't sponsor anybody yet. That's okay. We'll pay you 8 levels deep with no PS, 0 PS, okay? We'll pay you 8 levels. The maximum you could earn with 0 personally sponsored, $2,460 a month. That's the maximum. You can't earn more, okay? That's every position filled, okay? Probably not going to happen, right? Perfect, but whatever. That's the max you can earn with no personally sponsored. Nobody's paying that with no personally sponsored. I would tell you that. With one, go get one, right? One person. We'll open up the 9th level for you, okay? That'll triple your potential earnings, okay? It goes from 2,400 to 7,300, 3 times as much for 1 PS, right? So that's pretty good. Get 5. There's advantages to getting 5, not just this advantage. You become a pro. It helps you earn more money in a lot of different ways. Once you get 5, we triple the number again by allowing you to earn on the 10th level.